Good morning, class. So, today we are going to discuss the answer of the sample paper 2016 and 2017. Clear? So, come to the first question, and we will discuss only the answer of these question which is related to your syllabus now, as you know that so many topics of your syllabus are removed by CBSE this time. So, we are not going to discuss the answer of that because you have not studied about that concept. So now let's come to the first question, that is, name the process of converting vegetable oil into vegetable ghee. So this question is not in your syllabus right now. वैसे the answer is hydrogenation, but this is not in your course. Now come to the another one question which is in your course, which is related to the chemistry, that is 7th question. What are isomers? Isomers of the first three member of alkane series are not possible. Give reason to justify this statement and draw structure of two isomers of butane C4H10. Okay, so how we will give the answer of this? So first of all, the first question is that what are isomers? So isomers, okay, so isomers basically they are the compound which have the same molecular formula, but different structure, but different structure. Okay, isomers are the compound which have same molecular formula but different structure. Now what is this molecular formula? Molecular formula, it means ki when we are talking about how many number of carbon and how many number of hydrogen present total, okay, but the structure are different. It means that name can be different, although we will discuss in C4H10 these isomers. So you should know the definition of isomers first. Isomers are the compound which have same molecular formula but different structure. Now come to the next question. Isomer of the first three member of alkene series are not possible. So first of all, we should know that what are the three members of alkene series. So as you know, the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So now if we will put the value 1 here, 2 here and 3 here, we will get the first three isomers. Okay. Now when we put the value first here, we will get the molecular formula CH4. Okay. Second is C2H6 and third is C3H8. As you know that whenever we are moving from one atom to the another one, there is a difference of one CH2 unit. Okay, so the first is CH4, C2H6 and C3H8, or you can give name to them as a methane, ethane and propane. Now question is that ki why the isomers of these three molecular formula are not possible. So here if you will see that CH4, so CH4 may you know that there is only the one carbon atom, so how could it be possible to make the different structure of this compound? There is only the one structure of this compound, so definitely isomers cannot be possible. Now come to the C2H6. So C2H6 may there is only the two number of carbon atom. It means we can join two carbon in this manner only, CH3. Now there is no any another way to make another different type of compounds, so it will be CH3 only. Another structure is not possible. Now come to the C3H8. C3H8 may be normal chain structure can be drawn, CH3 CH2 CH3. Finally no other structure can be possible, because if you will make the structure like that, agar iska naam aap dekhte ho, that is propane, or if you will draw like that, if you will draw like this, one CH3 CH2 and CH3. Fine. Now again the name of this compound is propane, so there is no any difference in the name of this compound. So that means there is only the one formula, one molecular, one structure of these three compound is possible, no other ways to make the compound. But you know that isomers kya hote hain? Isomers are that which have the same molecular formula but different structure. It means they have different names also. Okay, so in the case of methane, in the case of ethane and propane, this is not possible at all. Now next question, draw structure of two isomers of butane. Now come to the butane and we will see how we can make the possible isomers. Now C4H10, here you can see 1 2 3 4, CH3 CH2 CH2 and CH3. This is butane, fine. This is N-butane. Okay, now I'm making the another one structure. Here you can see, if you will count the molecular formula, C4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is C4H10. Clear? Now I am making the another one isomers of this. See, here I'm writing CH3, 2, 3, sorry, not this. I'm writing again 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. Now if you will count the carbon, then again it is C4. 4 carbons are there, and how many hydrogen are there? 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. C4H10. Now earlier you have seen that I made the molecular formula, structure of molecular formula C4H10, and it was N-butane. And now if you will write the name of this compound, it will be, because you know that 1, 2, 3, it is the methyl group is on the 2 position. The name of this compound is 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. Okay, now you have seen that I made the two structure of C4H10, in which the molecular formula of N-butane and 2-methyl propane was same. But here you see that the structure, earlier it was a straight chain like compound, and after that I made a branched compound of this. Okay, so this is the isomer. Hope this point is clear to you, that what are isomers. Isomers means that they have same molecular formula but they are different in structure. Clear? Now question number 8. Here you can see that this question is related to the C2H6O, and because you know that the functional groups are removed from your syllabus, so now again it is not in your syllabus right now. Come to the next question, 9. See, question है, an element A belongs to third period and 17th group. Okay, so first of all, the hint is given it to you. What you have to do, you have to write the whatever the hints are given it to you. See, the third period and 17th group. So you should know that first element of the 17th group is fluorine, then it is chlorine, then it is bromine, and this is iodine. Okay, you know that the chlorine present in the third group. Okay, and you know the atomic number of this chlorine is 17. Clear? Or if you will write the electronic configuration, you will get the idea that it is 287, so it will be in the third period automatically. Clear? So this hint you get it already from the question. Now question क्या पूछा है? Now write the atomic number and the electronic configuration of A. So as I already told you, the atomic number of A is 17 and electronic configuration will be 287. Clear? Now state whether A is a metal or a non-metal. So you know that chlorine is a non-metal. Write the structure, write the nature of bond formed if A react with the another element B of the electronic configuration 281. आपको nature of bond लिखना है, तो 281 को add कर लीजिए, 8 plus 2 10 और 1 11 atomic number. It means it is a sodium. As you know that sodium is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal. Okay, so you know that the Na has only the one electron in its outermost shell. Chlorine has how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 electron. So this sodium will give its one electron to this chlorine and it will form Na positive ion and Cl negative ion, and because of these attraction of ions they form NaCl, and in that which kind of bonding is possible? Ionic bonding. Okay, so which kind of bond is possible in this case? The bond is ionic bond. Hope this is clear to you. Now write the chemical formula of the compound form. So as I already told you, the compound form is NaCl. Clear? Children, come to the next question. Consider the following element like Be, F, K and C, beryllium, fluorine, potassium and calcium. Now what the question asks in this, select the element having one electron in the outermost shell. So you should know how to do the electronic configuration and then only you will know कि how many have the one electron in outermost shell. तो Be का 4 है atomic number, तो how you will do electronic configuration 2,2. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखते हो fluorine is 9, then it will be 2, 7. फाइन. पोटेशियम का देखते हो, इट विल बी 19 एटॉमिक नंबर, तो 2, 8, 8 1, ठीक है। एंड कैल्शियम का देखते हो तो इट विल बी 20 एटॉमिक नंबर, देन 2 8 8 2. Clear? Okay, so now question is that select the element having one electron in the outermost shell. So it will be potassium. Potassium have one electron in the outermost shell. The answer will be potassium. ठीक है. Now select two element of the same group. तो सेम ग्रुप के लिए यू शुड नो द एलिमेंट्स नेम एक्चुअली. ठीक है. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू बी. ठीक है. तो कहाँ से आता है फर्स्ट ग्रुप? क्या है? HLI बी ई इज इन द फर्स्ट ग्रुप. सेकेंड में अगर आप देखते हो तो फ्लोरीन तो इज इन 17th ग्रुप. ये तो 17th ग्रुप का एलिमेंट है. पोटेशियम को देखते हो और कैल्शियम को देखते हो. देन सेकंड ग्रुप, इफ यू विल राइट द एलिमेंट ऑफ द सेकंड ग्रुप, इट विल बी BE MG CA SR BARE. These are the 6 members which present in the second group. So here beryllium BE and CA. ठीक है. तो both are in the same group. तो element, the answer will be BE and CA. ठीक है. BE and CA. Clear? Now third question. Write the formula and state the nature of compound formed when the element K react with an element X of electronic configuration 287. So now you will add this 287, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 7 17. It means chlorine. यानी कि potassium and chlorine when they are react with each other, what kind of bond they will form? ठीक है. तो they will form KCl. Definitely you know that potassium has one electron in the outermost shell. ठीक है. आप ये कर सकते हो लाइक सोडियम की तरह ही. पोटेशियम हैज़ 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, क्लोरीन हैज़ 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. 1 electron was given by potassium. It will form 1 positive ion. Cl will form 1 negative ion, and the bond compound will be KCl. And which kind of bonding it will be? It will be a ionic bond. ठीक है. This is a ionic bond. Now come to the next question, which is related to the chemistry. Question number. Okay, question number 19. Here question is that state two main reason for carbon forming a very large number of compound. So what could be the two possible reason? See, the first key, why the carbon compounds are forming a large number of carbon? Because of these two property. The first is catenation. Second is tetravalency. ठीक है. So let me add one more point in this catenation and tetravalency. तो catenation it means कि when the carbon is forming the compound with the another one carbon, यानी कि you can say in a self linking property basically. ठीक है. So they are self linking to each other, so that's why they are making a very long chain carbon compounds. ठीक है. The second is the tetravalency, because you know that the carbon has the 4 electron in its outermost shell, so they have a tendency to form bonds with the carbon and other elements like oxygen, nitrogen and all. So they are a variety of, or the majorly compounds are available in universe of the carbon. ठीक है. So this is the two main reason why the carbon are forming a large number of compound, catenation and tetravalency. Now another one question. I give reason why carbon compound, namely by covalent bond and having low melting and boiling point. Now this point you should know. The carbon has 4 electron in its outermost shell. So you know that it can lose electron, but it can gain electron also. But you know that when they are losing the electron or when they are gaining the electron, that time their nucleus is not stable. So they are not going through the ionic bond. So they always form a covalent bond by mutual sharing of electron. ठीक है. Mutual sharing of electron. They are not losing electrons, they are not gaining electron, because on that time their nucleus is not stable. So mainly they are form compound by mutual sharing of electrons. Clear? Now why they have low melting and low boiling point? So because of these carbon compound, you know that these carbon compound has very low attraction forces between them. So if the attraction forces are low, definitely a small amount of energy can be easily broken that bonds. So that's why they have a very low melting point and boiling point. ठीक है. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन कभी कभी पूछा जाता है कि why ionic compound have very high melting point and boiling point? Because you know that ionic compound have ions and they have a very strong force of attraction between them. So if we need to break that bond, so we need to provide a more amount of energy on that case. So जो ionic bond होंगे, they have high melting and boiling point, but covalent compounds may they require a low melting and low boiling points. Clear? Next question है, what happen when write you have to write the chemical equation in that case. So piece of sodium metal is added to ethanol. तो वैसे तो although this is not in your course, but फिर भी बता देती हूँ, sodium metal you know that it is sodium, and ethyl alcohol it is C2H5 OH. So whenever it will be formed like C2H5ONE type of compound, and hydrogen gas will come out, but it is not in your course this time. ठीक है? So I'm not discussing more about that. Now let's discuss about another one question, if it is any question from chemistry. So this is from hard water saponification question. So this beta so portion is not in your course right now, so I'm not going to discuss about the saponification process and all, because already this is eliminated portion. So this is that much question is related to the portion which is in your chemistry right now. So whatever the answer I provided to you already, so many students are already send that answers to me. That is very good, very nice effort they have done. And those who are not serious, please be serious, and whatever the chemistry answers I am providing it to you, please write in your classwork copy, because my in the last time of examination you can easily repeat the answers, and definitely you know that this time so many topics are eliminated from your syllabus, so the question will come only from this whatever the topics are in your course right now. Okay, so be punctual about that.